Now it's time to build queries. Again, this is all found in the Deliverable 2 video if you need help. But you could also ask ChatGPT for ideas. You probably don't want to ask ChatGPT to build it because it'll spit it out in SQL format and that will get more confusing. But we can go and ask ChatGPT, give me 8 ideas or 10 ideas for queries, and then you can pick the ones you want. So let's do that right now. So let's ask ChatGPT to build 8 queries and let's see what the output is. Please build 8 queries that I can use for my project. And let's see what the output is. All right. So it is giving you SQL or SQL output. This is above your head. This is something you do in the later database classes. So this, I don't expect you to do this. I really don't. But what you can do is this. Please give me 8 ideas for a query and how I can build them without SQL. And here are the results. You can do an all products query. And that sounds silly. That's a little too easy. I expect you to do more. Customers who purchase pets. So you can have customers and first name, last name, and then the pet ID or the pet name in the other part of the query. Total sales by customer. Products with low stock. How about we do this? Give me 8 ideas for queries using multiple tables. Let me know which fields I should use. I do not want to build these queries with SQL. Again, pretty important if you don't know. Oops, multiple queries. I just caught myself. There you go. This is it. This is probably what you want. So this may be a good prompt for you. Customer purchase history. You're going to use the customer's first name, last name, and email address. You're going to use the sale ID, and you're going to use the product name. Total sales by pet species. Great one. You're going to use the species field and the total price field. So here are just a few ideas. Pets sold with their prices. Okay, yeah, you can just list the pets sold, when they were sold, and who they were sold to, and the price. Summary by month. Customers with multiple pets, so you can do a search on, or you can filter on the first name and last name, just a customer ID, and see what pets he or she may have purchased. So, or products, you can do the same thing with products, top selling products. So here are just a bunch of ideas of what you can do. Or if you really need to, you can just build your own. You could start off with something really simple, list all of the uh, pets, list all of the prices, and then maybe get the average price of a dachshund or the average price of anything that's listed as a dog or something like that. There's tons of different ways you can do this. You don't want ChatGPT to build it for you because it'll build it in SQL, but you can ask it for ideas, and it can lead you in the direction as to what to do to build your queries. And before we move on, I want to see 8 different kind of unique looking queries. I don't want to see the same query kind of rehashed. So in this example, I don't want to see movie genres with Chris Hemsworth and then see movie genres with Scarlett Johansson and then see movie genres with Chris Evans. That's basically the same query. You're just changing the name. For my pet store, I don't want to see number of cats sold. number of dogs sold, number of fish sold. Like, that doesn't make, that's the same thing. You're just changing one aspect of it. So I want sort of 5 to 8 unique queries. And I'm stressing unique, and having 8 doesn't mean you're doing better than having 5. I want to see 5 really good, tight queries. If you're going to give me more than 5, you may be hinting towards a lack of confidence, and you're trying to cover as many bases. I will give you that. This is a complex project, but don't shoot for 8 if you don't feel comfortable shooting for 8. I definitely need 5, so give me your best 5.